All right, so let's take a look to see what happened in the markets today, Monday, January 25th. And we're going to do this in 5 minutes or less. So stocks finished mixed today and they were trading really choppy. The Nasdaq, however, was able to make another record high. But let's take a look at the indices and let's see what happened. So as you can see here, the Dow Jones fell 0.1%. And this is now its third straight loss, as you can see here. So Dow not doing too hot here. Now, the S&P 500 added today, and this is why I say it was pretty mixed here, but it added 0.4%. So eking out a few gains here today, but the real winner today was the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq added 0.87%, and as you can see, up and away, closing at a new record high. So what's happened today? Well, first of all, American Express was the biggest drag in the Dow, and this is probably why the Dow was down. You see, American Express was falling 4%. Now, the stock here hit an 11-month high last week, so that was good. So it's possible that today traders were just taking profits ahead of earnings, which is supposed to happen tomorrow. So earnings are out tomorrow, or maybe somebody knows something that we don't know yet. Well, I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow when earnings are being released. Now, Nasdaq was up because of Apple. Apple continued to run higher ahead of earnings, which are due after the close on Wednesday, so 2 more days from here. So the stock, as you can see, hit a high of 145 all the way up there, closed up 2.8% for the day. So Apple definitely on fire. But let's be real, all eyes today were on GameStop, GME, and I'm going to make a dedicated video on this incredible short squeeze. I'll probably do that tomorrow, but check out this chart. You see, the stock was trading around $20 maybe a month ago, and today it hit a high of $159. And what's happening here? Well, this wild price action happened after a bunch of online traders on Reddit started buying the stock. And the more the traders bought GME, the more shorts got squeezed. What does this mean? Well, according to an article that I read on CNBC, GME right now is the most heavily shorted stock in the US stock market here. It is amazing. So, but going back to GME, as you can see, GME, after making this high, sold off at some point. It also was negative for the day, but still up 18%. We will see how this will end, and I don't think that this will end well. Anyhow, there were a couple of other stocks whose short got squeezed out by the Reddit crowd. It's Wall Street bets on Reddit. And you see, one of them was Bed Bath & Beyond. Look at this. Bed Bath & Beyond also up like crazy, going from yesterday, around $30 to $48 today. So this is crazy. So then it went all the way crashing down, and right now it closed up around 1.6%. And there was another one on the radar of Wall Street Bets, the popular Reddit forum with 1.5 million traders, and this was AMC. So AMC today throughout the day was up as high as 39%, also came crashing down, but still closed up 25%. And for reference, fact sheet data shows that about 64% of Bed Bath & Beyond's float is sold short, and 60% of AMC stock. So it is very, very high. Not as crazy as GME though, with 138%. Anyhow, so what's in store for this week? Well, it's a very busy earnings week with more than 20% of the companies in the S&P 500 reporting earnings over the next few days. So we definitely have earnings on the calendar for this week. And then we also have the FOMC statement. As you can see, this is happening on Wednesday. And we have the GDP on Thursday. We will see how well did the US economy did in the last quarter. Anyhow, so this wraps up today's stock market news in 5 minutes or less, and it only took us, exactly 5 minutes. Anyhow, keep in mind, trade what you see, not what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of the day.